Hey everyone, I'm Frat. Today I'll show you how to load external LUTs into Corona renderer step by step. And at the end of this video I am giving away 13 exclusive LUT files from my personal archive. These LUTs are tested in Corona renderer, Chaos Vantage and Blender. You can download them for free using the link in the description, but first let's see how to use them properly. So, what is a LUT? Lookup table lets you quickly adjust the color tones and contrast of your render. It's perfect for adding cinematic mood or soft studio style lighting to your scenes. To use a LUT in Corona renderer, we go through the VFB, the virtual frame buffer. Click the tone mapping tab in the top right corner, then activate the LUT section and load your .cube file from your computer. Quick tip: when you load one LUT, Corona automatically loads all other LUTs in the same folder. This lets you switch between different looks instantly and compare styles. Personally, I use soft contrast LUTs for product renders and warm tones for interiors. All 13 LUTs I'm sharing today are part of my own workflow and you can try them out right now. Just grab the download link in the description. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. More LUT packs, render tips and scene files are coming soon.